Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video we had discussed about phylum Arthropoda. In this video we are going to discuss about phylum Mollusca. Mollusks are also known as soft-bodied animals. They are also known as soft-bodied animals. The term mollusk stands for soft-bodied animals. It is the second largest animal phylum. It is the second largest phylum. The largest phylum is phylum Arthropoda and phylum Mollusca is the largest animal phylum. Talking about general features, mollusks are triploblastic. They have bilateral symmetry. They have a true coelom. Their body is unsegmented. Body is unsegmented. Level of organization is organ system level of organization. And body plan is tube within tube body plan. Tube within tube body plan. Mollusks may be terrestrial or aquatic. In aquatic, they are mostly marine. They are mostly marine and some are freshwater also. Some are freshwater also. They are protostomic. They are protostomic. That is, mouth develops first and anus develops later on. The body is divided into head, a muscular foot, and a visceral hump. Mantle, it is a thin, spongy and fleshy dorsal wall fold present over visceral hump. Outside the mantle there is a hard shell made up of calcium carbonate. So this is the hard shell. The zone defined as green is the mantle. Inside the mantle there is a cavity known as the mantle cavity. Between the mantle and the foot, the area is known as visceral hump, where all the organs will be present, and this is the head. So this is the body design of mollusks. Now circulatory system is of open type, that is, there are no blood vessels except cuttlefish. It has a closed circulatory system. Mollusks have an open type of circulatory system except cuttlefish, which has a closed respiratory system. Blood color is generally blue due to the presence of hemocyanin, which is copper containing pigment. In humans, we have hemoglobin, which imparts red color to our blood. Similarly, mollusks have hemocyanin, which provides blue color to the blood. Respiration is usually through feather-like gills. Respiration is by feather-like gills. Excretion is via sac kidneys, which are known as organ of Bogenus. Organ of Bogenus demarcates the starting of formation of kidney. In circulatory system, there is also a presence of heart. Which is usually dorsal. That is present on the back side of the body. Excretion is through organ of Bogenus, and mode of excretion is mainly a monotelic. is mainly amonotelic. Now, several types of sense organs are present, such as eyes, which are receptors for light. Then we have tentacles for touch, Then there is statocyst. Statocyst helps in balancing, and there is also presence of os fradium, which is a chemoreceptor, Reproduction, they are mostly dioecious, that is, they are unisexual. They lay eggs, that is, they are oviparous. And development is mostly indirect development. That is, there is a presence of a larval stage. Development is indirect. Talking about the examples, we have Neopilena, Chitopluria, which is also known as chiton, Dentalium, which is also known as elephant tusk shell, Pila, which is also known as apple snail. Pila has a mouth-like structure, also called as a rasping organ or radula. It has a mouth-like structure containing teeth, which is known as radula, which is a rasping organ. Doris is also known as sea lemon, and Epilegia is known as sea hare. Turbinella is the conch or the shank that we see. Unio is a freshwater mussel, which is a seafood. Pinctada refers to pearl oyster. Ostrea is the edible oyster. Sepia is cuttlefish. Loligo refers to squid, and octopus is the devilfish. So these are the examples in phylum Mollusca. With this, we are finished with phylum Mollusca. See you in next video.